wealth here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a method to where it's on CPAGRIP and really with any ad network, with any CPA network, I mean. And so yeah, it's really simple. It's really simple. But first, I like to give you some tips or whatever. So these are just common sense tips right here. So if you were to have people that are looking for virtual assistants, that's something that could be done from the computer. Just simply come to Fiverr. Like anything. Just tell them you're the expert of it. You know how to do it, and just upsell them. Say, like, for example, if you were to do graphic design, right? You are a professional at graphic design, whether it's on t-shirt design, stuff like that, whatever, etc., etc. So yeah, here you go. You can just upsell it to like $50, and companies pay a lot of money for different skills and different levels of skills. So what you can do is upcharge them, like upsell them pretty much, and do the same thing and just upsell them and pay for like the best one, or doesn't even have to be the best, but just make sure it's actually good quality service to where a lot of people recommend it, and it got good reviews like this, for example. So yeah, you just wanted to say that you know how to do all of these things, or actually have a website, and then I would say do some local advertising on Facebook targeting, because I've showed you that in one of my previous videos. And so what you'd want to do is do exactly that. It's a lot easier to do local. So this can be SMMA, like, social media marketing. So it can be stuff like that. It can be really anything, because people and companies themselves want a lot of services done. So if you could do these services done, you can have a whole business out of this, and just do things that way. And I'm sure there's multiple people and multiple companies that are doing this right now. So just outsourcing things on Fiverr, and just get these things outsourced, even though you're really not the expert. You really don't have to be the expert nowadays. So you could just outsource it to Fiverr. So yeah. And that was just a common tip so that I wanted to give you on today. But yeah, let's go and get into it. Okay, I'm on Google Trends. So Google Trends, don't forget about Google Trends, man. People are always searching on Google Trends for whether it's any topic, player, anything really, any person, whatever the case may be. See Steven Spielberg, 50K searches, 20K searches for Carrie Simons, whatever. Lakers versus Grizzlies. See, what you want to do is actually click on this, right? You click on this and actually see what's actually trending. These are actually trending. So just because these are trending on Google Trends doesn't mean it's not trending on Bing or Yahoo, etc. So just think outside the box with this, and actually content lock this stuff, because people want to know more about this stuff. And if they see your Google ad at the top, then they're obviously going to click, So because you just want to be the guru that actually stays at the top, stays at the top when all of these searches. This can make you a lot of money as well. So also, here we go. What offers? I searched up, I don't even really get on here. So I just did an offer on CPA Build here. And what it is that I searched it up on YouTube. I searched up this offer on YouTube. And as you see, what I'm saying is you can do this same thing for yourself and for your own business. See, people are actually doing this. This is another way of how you can spy on your competitors to actually get the same thing and do the same thing. Because you see the same offer right here, this gift card. This is probably the same offer that this guru right here is trying to promote from free traffic. So if you ever want free traffic, here you go. Copy off this person right here. And so you see they're ranked top four. There you go. Copy this person. They ranked high. Whoever's looking for a Pizza Hut $100 gift cards, whatever the case may be, or Pizza Hut in general, you can post ads to this and then have it done that way, because you're affiliated with this. You're affiliated with it through this website. So boom, there you go. And the same thing with Adworkmedia. You could do the same thing. And so if you ever want to know how your competitors are doing, how your competitors are getting things done, what you want to do is actually research the actual offer title and stuff like that. So you just want to research the actual offer title. And then what do I mean by that? It's just simply, if I were to click on this $100 general gift card, submit, you would just actually research this right here. You would actually just simply research it. And then whether it's in Google, YouTube, I'll say research it through everything so that you can see how is it winning and stuff like that. Or you really don't want to search on here. I say search on Google because that's probably the best bet. Searching other. And so because I did this search right here, best search engine other than Google. So yeah, only thing I'm going to be showing you is Bing and Yahoo. So what you want to see is actually look at these as well, because this is very important, as well as is like Google. Don't just search on Google. Like I said about the Google Trends method, don't just think it's just trending on, don't just assume it's trending on Google, because it's probably trending on Bing or Yahoo and DuckDuckGo as well. Here we go, Quant, all these other search engines as well. Just because Google is the most popular, obviously, doesn't mean these aren't getting any traffic. So people, a lot of people are gurus, don't tell you that. And yeah, don't sleep on these other search engines. Please don't sleep on them. So yeah, it's very important. So I'm just going to research it right here and actually show you. Because what you want to do, I've showed this method before. So what you want to do is actually see the images. It's very important. You want to, with any offer that you research or look over, you want to see these images, because the images are very, very important. Whether you're doing Facebook ads and stuff like that, whether it's any of that. So the image is very important. And so if the image look good like these, you would have this in your ad or whatever the case may be. And so you see these tie into different websites. Like here go Pinterest, sweepstakes.com, Pinterest.com, Pinterest. A lot of people are promoting on Pinterest. A lot of gurus are your competitors are promoting on Pinterest. You just want to see what's winning, and you can get all the way down to the landing page and go through these funnels, like go through them. Like that's how, this is the most simplest way of how it's going to work for you. So if I were to research on Bing, here we go. If I were to research this on Bing, you'll see the same exact thing. Look at this. You see this? See? You see even more resources that ties into the same exact thing. Here we go. Sweepstake.com, contest chest. Here we go. Freestufffinder.com. Just look at this stuff, because I'm sure freestufffinder.com, you can get some more of what your competitors are doing as well, because what they have is this website called Freebies, right? If you have a full website of freebies and stuff like that, that converts as well. Those websites converts as well, and it's winning. It's winning big. So yeah, and so I'm gonna do the same thing with Yahoo. I'm just showing you what you should be doing with each offer and stuff like that. Which each offer that you want to know, how is it doing? Does this offer convert the best? Is this offer any good? So this is how you would do your research and see, okay, is this winning or not, or if it's winning or not. And the only way you know it's winning is because it's actually up here and the website is still up. If the landing page is still up and going, then you know for a fact it's winning. And so, yeah. And so it's just the same thing. You just go through the images and actually see what's working, whether you also want to search up gift cards as well. Like gift cards are very important. Like gift cards alone, like just search up free gift cards, free gift card. These right here, this is what's going to earn you a lot of money as well, because these are funnels itself. These are a ton of funnels itself. Like you might not even know it, but yeah, these are these are where you can copy at too. These are where the gurus play too. So with these gift card from these CPA networks, these offers, man, this is where they play. This is where they win big. And also, I don't know if you get this, but it happens to me a lot. But you see, I'm on my email, right? I'm on my email. I got Hotmail. So yeah. Okay, if you were to click, you see all of these emails I get, I set them in my archive for a reason, okay? Because these are all gurus sending me consistent like messages like this, emails similar to this. So if I were to click on one of these, the thing is, you'll see exactly what I mean, okay? So I'm gonna click on it, right? You see this? Get your 3 scores now. Like this is just an affiliate link. These are all affiliate links. And so it's just pretty much like, if you act as a consumer, the more you act as a consumer within the search engines, the more emails you'll get like this. And I'm saying go after these emails like this congratulations stuff. This is all affiliates. This is all affiliated links. These are all affiliated links to landing pages. It looks fake, but people will go for it. So, and that's how you know it's winning, because they consistently send you these things. So if they consistently send you these, then you know for a fact it's working. So here go auto insurance raid, confirmation needed. Like this one right here, confirmation needed. That can convert as well. So just rinse and repeat was working. Like I said, here go Chase Bank. This is not even real. This is not even real Chase. Like, here we go. Dear Chase user. See, it doesn't say your name. You have been selected to get an exclusive reward. See, it doesn't say no name. This is obviously affiliated links. So what I'm saying is, if you act as a consumer majority of the time, here go Keto Boost, you can see how gurus are actually making sales off of people. You can actually see this because I get a ton more than what I'm showing you, but I'm just saying it works. What I'm telling you, it works. Click here for more details. You just go to the website, the landing page, get your supply here, drop 20 pounds in your first week, blah, blah, blah. It's different stuff. It's different niches as well. So here go auto insurance, new car, save on new car, low cost policy. Here we go, auto insurance. See, this is all affiliated links right here, and they just targeted me through the keywords I researched as a consumer. So this is the way they work, man. And so I'm just telling you, like, sharing some simple, common sense methods that you can do yourself that a lot of people don't do. So I'm just keeping it real. And so the way they send this is through this right here, bulk email sender. So you'd want to search this and actually get you some sort of software, some sort of email bulk sender software, because this is the way it works. They target people who search up specific keywords, or whether they're looking up stuff. And so what you want to do is do the same thing as they do. So here go 5 best mass email senders for bulk email blasts. So email marketing is pretty big. A lot of people sleep on it, but it's pretty big. And I'm telling you, whether you got value, you need to bring value. You have to have value. So you in order for them to opt in. So it's not really hard to have value, honestly. I've showed you in my previous videos of how to do that. I've showed you that. So yeah, with that being said, man, I hope you liked this video. I hope you really liked it. And yeah, man, it was a good video. And yeah, just go back. If you actually go back in the video and go back to the part to where I said about the offers and stuff like that, if you research every single offer whenever you get the time to see what works best. Because watch, I guarantee you somebody's going to actually do this. Like 2% out of the 100% of people that's watching this video are going to actually do this method and actually see results, and actually see what I mean by copying. If you just copy and paste everything you see, what your competitors are doing, or just do it vice versa. If it's something that's working on Google, do it on Bing ads. Like, that's what I mean. Like, so that you won't get flagged or anything. And then, just like I said, it's just all common sense. So yeah, like I said before, yeah, I hope you liked the video, and I hope you have a nice day. And yeah, peace out, man.